Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is the energy possessed 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 by a body by of its motion. So kinetic energy is the energy which is possessed due to the velocity of the object. If we discuss quantitatively, then the kinetic energy is equal to the work done in bringing the body moving with the speed v to rest, or it is equal to the work done to make the body to move with the speed v starting from rest. We have certain examples of kinetic energy. All moving vehicles possesses kinetic energy because they are in motion. Flowing water also possesses kinetic energy. A bullet fired from a gun is able to penetrate into target due to its kinetic energy. So these are certain examples of the object which possesses kinetic energy. Now we want to find that what will be the expression for kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of body can be calculated by the amount of work done required to bring the body into motion from its state of rest. From its state of rest. Let we have a body which was initially and at rest, and we have applied a force F. Initially the velocity of the object is 0. After applying the force F, now the object start moving, and after a certain time it acquires a velocity v after a displacement s. Due to this force, the body gets accelerated and its velocity changes to v after covering a displacement s. Now we know that the work done will be equal to W is equals to F dot S, or it is equal to Fs cos theta, because the object is moving in the direction of applied force. So the value of theta will be 0, or we can write W as Fs. It can be written as equation number 1. We know that if mass of the body is m and having acceleration a, then force is equals to ma, equation number 2. So this W can be written as mas. It can be written as equation number 3. Now as the object moves at certain distance s with uniform acceleration, so using the relation v square minus u square is equals to 2as, here the initial velocity of object was 0 So v square is equals to 2as, or from here we will get a is equals to, or as is equals to v square upon 2. This can be written as equation number 4. Now substituting the value of this as into equation this, we will get w is equals to mv square upon 2, or it is equals to half mv square. Now as we have earlier studied that this work done on the body will set it moving with velocity v. So this stored up work in the moving body is called kinetic energy, or it can be written as k is equals to half mv square.